I would like to know how I can do saving in different file types when I'm browsing the internet. If I'm using ASP Classic and the extension is HTML, then I will do a save and run it. This is what I get. That is incorrect. In order for this to work, I need to save it as a ASP file. Once you have this ASP file and type it, you have ASP Classic Hello World. And to save in ASP Classic, normally we will use session. And this is in session. To retrieve back the information, we can just say like so. And it's written in VB script. You don't need to have a semicolon at the end. With this information, I can run it and it will show you hi there. This is the simplest way we can use to save your session information when you go from one page to another. Another way to save this is you can do a query string. Put in the query string and use response.query string to retrieve back your query string information. Today we are no longer using ASP Classic. There's another way that you can do to save information without the text. To do that, we need to write a script. There are two ways to save information. We use sessionStorage. Key hello there to save a simple information, and to display it, you can use alert storage get item the key. It can be any name that you want to save that information in. Now that we have this, we will save it and run it. Then it will show you hello there. This is one way of saving information using JavaScript. The second way of doing that is to use local storage. And here we get the key too. Let's run this. The second message appears. What are the difference between these two? The first one is only available when the browser is alive. Once you close the browser, it's gone. The second storage will be here forever, even though you close the browser and reopen it. That's closed. I'm going to open it again. Before I do that, I take away command this to show to you that by using local storage, your key 2 is still available. Save it and run. Let's take a look. Can you see? Key 2 is still available. And it's useful when you traverse from one page to another. Next, I will show you this information. I just comment the second one. Then I close this browser and reopen it to show to you that this saving is no longer exists. Once you close and reopen the browser, it becomes null. You understand? Great. Thank you. Bye-bye.